This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore new skills and deepen existing passions and get lost in creativity. They have many classes on woodworking, like how to make your own furniture and how to set up a woodworking shop and how to sharpen chisels. I recently took a class taught by Matt Balasai, and he talked about going viral and how to make content people want to share. He had a great personality and was an excellent instructor. On Skillshare, there is no ads, and they are always launching new premium classes. It is less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a free trial of premium membership, so you can explore your creativity. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video.